The definitive Kwikset Halo Wi-Fi Smart Lock Review, everything you need to know. The Smart Lock Revolution. In today's connected world, home security has evolved beyond traditional keys and deadbolts. Smart locks represent the cutting edge of residential protection, combining convenience with advanced security features. Among the most compelling options on the market is the Kwikset Halo Wi-Fi Smart Lock, a device that promises to transform how you secure and access your home. This review will provide you with everything you need to know before making your purchase decision. We'll go far beyond basic specifications to examine real-world performance across different home environments, detailed installation walkthroughs with troubleshooting tips, in-depth analysis of security features and potential vulnerabilities, long-term durability testing results, comprehensive smart home integration guides, direct comparisons with all major competitors, expert recommendations for different use cases. Whether you're a tech enthusiast looking to upgrade your smart home or simply want keyless convenience without compromising security, this review will give you the complete picture. Want to see the Kwikset Halo in action before watching further? Click below to watch our hands-on demonstration video showing real-world use cases. Unboxing and first impressions. The Kwikset Halo arrives in well-designed retail packaging that protects all components. Inside the box you'll find Smart Lock Mechanism, the core electronic unit with touchpad. Deadbolt assembly includes both interior and exterior components. Mounting hardware, all necessary screws, strike plates, and adapters. User manual, comprehensive 32-page guide with diagrams. Emergency keys, 2 physical backup keys. Installation template, helpful alignment guide. First impressions. The lock has a substantial weight, 1.8 pounds, that suggests quality construction. The Venetian bronze finish provides an attractive, fingerprint-resistant surface that blends well with most door hardware. The backlit keypad has a responsive, tactile feel with clearly marked numbers that are easy to read in low light. Pro tip: use a Wi-Fi analyzer app to check signal strength at your door before installation. Kwikset employs multiple layers of protection. 256-bit AES encryption for all wireless communications. Secure bootloader prevents firmware tampering. Brute force protections locks out after 5 failed attempts. Physical tamper detection alerts you if someone tries to remove the lock. Step-by-step installation guide. Follow this detailed process for optimal results. Prepare your door. Remove existing deadbolt. Verify door thickness. Measure at multiple points. Check hinge alignment. Misalignment causes premature wear. Install deadbolt. Use provided template for accurate hole placement. Ensure proper backset adjustment. Test mechanical operation before adding smart components. Mount smart module. Align carefully with deadbolt tailpiece. Secure with provided screws. Don't over-tighten. Verify smooth operation before proceeding. Connect to Wi-Fi. Download Kwikset app, iOS, Android. Follow in-app pairing process. Position phone close to lock during setup. Stuck on installation? Click below to access our complete video tutorial library with troubleshooting tips for every scenario. Battery optimization tips. Use lithium batteries in cold climates. Disable unnecessary notifications. Reduce backlight brightness and app settings. Keep firmware updated. Durability testing. After 6 months of continuous use, keypad showed minimal wear, 5,000 plus presses. Finish showed no visible fading or corrosion. Mechanism showed a slight increase in operating noise. Weather resistance performed well in rain, snow. Automation possibilities. Advanced users can create powerful automations like auto-lock when smart thermostat switches to away, unlock when security system is disarmed by recognized code, notifications when kids arrive home from school. Ready to transform your home security? Click below to check today's best price on the Kwikset Halo. Plus, get our exclusive installation guide bundle. Final verdict. After months of testing across multiple environments, the Kwikset Halo proves itself as a top-tier smart lock solution that balances enterprise-grade security with residential convenience, advanced features with straightforward operation, premium build quality at a competitive price point. While not perfect, the app could be more polished. It represents one of the best values in today's smart lock market. For most homeowners, the Halo delivers where it matters most. Reliable security you can trust every day. Final recommendation. We give this lock a 9.2 out of 10, which makes it an exceptional choice for tech-savvy households wanting robust security without hub complexity. Don't wait. Click below to order your Kwikset Halo today and use code SMARTLOCK10 for an exclusive discount.